Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is going over the application to the Dai Huen Sao from the advanced Sil Lim Tao form. This is another question that was brought to us by our viewers, and showing you a practical application using it against large circular round techniques. But before we get there, I need you to click the bells to like and subscribe and hit the bell to always be kept up with our latest videos.
These techniques now that we're going to demonstrate are also a response to a question. In the advanced Sil Lim Tao, after the Qi Jern, we do something called a Dai Huen, Dai big, Huen Sao, big circle. So you need to understand that most people today think of Kung Fu or martial arts dealing with strictly Western boxing. A lot of the older styles have these big, long, wide, swinging punches. So the Dai Huen is designed to do either high kicks or high punches to move the body. You also see the Dai Huen in the Chung Kyu form. So, start with Keith. So we're going to throw a high overhand right. You're going to come in, and here comes that Dai Huen. It comes up and it comes over. Once it comes up and over, it's going to come down stick and work our way in. So again, coming through, Pak, Dai Huen, slides down, controls, and strikes. All right, so if you took it off a two-piece combination, straight punch comes in, coming with a Pak punch, he throws the round punch, Dai Huen, keep the Paks out, and strike. Remember though, touch one hand, always look at the other. So that's the Dai Huen from the advanced Sil Lim Tao. So it's here, Qi Jern, come up with the top, Dai Huen, Tut Sao sweep, which we've gone over, Dai Huen, Tut Sao sweep, Dai Huen, Tut Sao sweep, and then we finish with the Noi Mun Chui.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.